You got gusted.
Oh my God. What are you helping me out again? Are you helping me out?
You're a busy girl.
Yes, she is. You're cute.
She was getting them. She pulled all those bookmarks out and started going through them.
She had one in mind that she wanted.
Yeah, she wanted the one in the middle.
Yeah. Now she's looking around nonchalantly.
Why'd you do that?
What was that? Huh? What was that all about? What's the purpose of that? I'd like to know. What's the purpose of that?
Put them back in there. I'm bored now.
You put them back in. Oh, I'm going to get those out again. That's important. There you go.
My cat was too much.
Okay, what do you think?
And I'm bored now.
She's giving us some thought, Jay.
Yeah,
I have to act like I'm not interested.
exactly. And then all of a sudden those things will be everywhere. So you gotta think about it. Yeah, maybe I'll look outside.
I guess she's done. If I'm done.
Are you done? I'm not gonna do nothing now.
No, now you're all staring at me. I'm not going to do anything now.
You're a smart cat, you know that?